In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a timer for your iPhone photos. So what you want to do is open up your camera app, just like so. And once you're in your camera app, you're going to see where it says things like cinematic, video, photo. If you lightly touch and hold where you see those names or titles, you can go ahead and swipe up. This will bring up an entire new set of settings. And if we take our finger and go from the right to the left to go to the right side, you'll see the timer icon. Go ahead and tap the timer icon there, and it is on default, which is timer off. But if we set this to 10 seconds, now whenever we press the take photo button, it will start a countdown, as you can see, from whatever duration we set. And you can do that by just going to the timer setting here and then changing it to 3, 5, or 10 seconds, giving you time to run and get in that photo so you don't have to be left out of all the family photos. And lastly, if you want to turn this off, you'll see something here where it says 10 seconds in the upper right-hand corner when I open the camera. If you tap that option there, it will actually take you into the timer settings where you can turn that off. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.